Hello and welcome back to the second innings, Stronger Than Before, a space where we celebrate women, we talk about real stories, second chances, and everything that life makes beautifully unpredictable.
We have got someone really special with us today. From being a professor of philosophy to leading one of the biggest news channels in the Northeast, her story is inspiring and also real. Dipannita Jaiswal, Managing Director of DY365, Jonak and NLTV.
So, Dipanita, what is actually a news?
I feel when you talk about news, everything around us is a news. It's how we perceive it and how we want to evolve that story around us and present it before the people. Politics and the other administrative, the regular news reporting is a different story. But when it comes to the soft stories part, those are also news. Every aspect of our life is a source of information. And any source of information is a news for us, which makes us more aware of what is happening around us.
Responsible journalism ki hai?
See, when we talk about journalism, journalism has been going on since ancient times. When you talk about information, when we talk about giving the responsible information, we have to give the correct, the right information with the right perspective. Our perspective has to be based on facts, data, and analysis. So that is how we say that we are doing responsible journalism.
So, अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि business interest और journalism ethics they collide. So, how do you manage that, or how do you navigate that?
When you come to this profession as starting a media house, your first priority is always towards your profession. Yes, business is definitely a part of it, because without earning, how will you sustain the entire organization? So our system of business model is a different perspective. We get from the ads, we get from our airtimes, and we get from the sponsors, like, who's sponsoring a program or doing something like that. Yes, it is sometimes a challenging job, but there will be some requests from people who would want you, but we have to evaluate the scale of how to go about it.
What about integrity?
That is the first thing. For me as a person, integrity is the first thing, because I don't want to go back to bed with a heavy heart or with a thought in my mind that I did not do something right. Profession, these days, what I feel is that there is a muddling between, the sense, we have taken business in a very negative connotation. When we talk about business is also very positive. So the business of media has to be positive.
All right. Integrity isn't always an easy trail to traverse, no?
So you might be having someday, you might be having sleepless nights also.
Of course we do. The day I think that, okay, today I'll go back home early, that is the day when I realize that, okay, I'm going to have a long night, and the next day and the next day also. Because when you're in this profession, there is no 9 to 5 or 10 to 5 or 10 to 8 job. We are a 24/7. So we don't have the privilege of even having a, national holiday. A newspaper might be having that privilege of, shutting the paper for one day. But televisions, digital now, with the digital coming up, we don't have that privilege. We have to be on our toes 24/7. 365 days, year after year, days after days.
3টা বজাত কেতিয়াবা আহি পাইছানে? এমাৰ্জেঞ্চি আহিব লাগিব ইয়ালৈ আহিছে টু দ্য অফিচ?
বহুত বাৰ. Bahut bar we agote initially, but now I have a good team, established team who's going to who's taken up the mantle and they can manage. But initially, yes, we did have to rush. We did have to, because I was also learning at that time. It was a baby, so I was constantly, and I had babies also.
They were also very young.
Yeah. So it was a entire thing. So yes, 3টা বজাত আমি আহিছো. 3টাত আহিছো, ৰাতিপুৱা গৈছো, কেতিয়াবা 5টাত আহিছো, ৰাতিলৈকে গৈছো. That was there.
তুমি যদি আজি মিডিয়াত নহলা হয়, different career options তুমি কি কৰিলা?
I think I would have continued with my teaching profession. Once a teacher, always a teacher.
Yes, sir. Yes. Once a teacher, always a teacher. I want to ask you a question on that. Do you consider yourself a teacher, or you consider yourself still learning, a student seeking knowledge?
I think both ways. You know, learning never stops. Even if you're teaching, you have to learn. You have to learn to teach also. So it's a both ways process. First I learn, then I teach. Then I again learn, again I relearn. So in this evolving world, you're constantly learning.
Constantly learning.
Yeah. So before 365, DY 365, you were the professor of psychology and
Philosophy.
logical
Sorry.
philosophy. Logical philosophy. So, वो कैसे हुआ? How were you attracted to education? You wanted to take that as a profession? How did it happen?
My life was in a default mode. I came back in 1996 after my master's. And then one fine day, my father, he was sitting in the morning with the newspaper and he said, there's a walk-in interview in Sonapur College. Do you want to go and, apply? I said, why not? So I collected my certificates, went there, and it was a day-long interview because many people were there and everything. And basically, to be honest, I went for the experience of it. It was just, okay, fine, let me just experience my first interview.
And your first job?
That was my first job and my first interview. When the interview got over and everything, and end of it, they came and they said, I wasn't expecting. And they said, you're selected. That was the time when literally the sky fell on me.
Okay, why?
Because honestly, I thought, I will not get it. I just went and I was very carefree about every answers, everything. Because since you're going for the experience of it, you're not going to get a job. You don't expect, And then I asked them, the first question I asked them is, do I have to teach in ASME? And I was like, my knowledge of ASMEs at that time was, my second language was ASME in St. Mary's. And that too till class 7. When you're speaking, it's different. Kohote ko problem no hoy, but porhote, hikaote, it's a different ball game.
And it's a responsibility.
Moi loge moi koisu kitab keta diok. মোক আগতে কিতাপকেইটা দিয়ক said মই ঘৰত লৈ যাওঁ মোক 3 দিন সময় দিয়ক মই যদি পঢ়ি মই নিজে যদি বুজাব পাৰো কাবাক then I'll take up the job, otherwise no point. Told my mother, okay, this is the thing. And my mother was the person who took up the role of a student and I was a teacher.
Yeah, and she was on the other side.
And she was on the other side. And then I asked her, are you understanding? And she said, yes, I am. So that's how I informed them after 3 days that, okay, fine, I can give it a try. My mother was my student at that time.
Yeah, at that time.
I was a teacher.
It's a role reversal.
So that was how the journey began as a lecturer. But I thoroughly enjoyed it. What I feel is that we had a very interactive class and we were the students were teaching me, the teachers were teaching me, and I was going and teaching them. First time I saw the Hemcock dictionary. Ohomia dictionary too. And sabe mane mul kitab loy mane I used to chase the teachers. Moi etu meaning kwai to bujai dia. Then I would go to the class.
So do you see a connection between philosophy and media?
first thing that we studied in philosophy was ethics.
Yes, absolutely.
So the basis somewhere down the line, I feel God was paving this way for me. Kind of, okay, first you have to, he was like, preparing me for this. Ki, okay, first you have to understand philosophy. If you really want to go for the media line. It is what is called the bindu, the starting point of any knowledge is philosophy.
In philosophy, there's a saying, philosophy teaches you how to think and not what to think.
What to think, yes.
You belong to a very liberal Bengali family. How was little Dipanita Chaudhary?
Little Dipanita Chaudhary was very, very free. Very free. I used to do things which I wanted to do on my terms. You won't believe, when I was young, my father was very, very progressive. My mother was progressive too. Said whatever she wants to do, jo bhi karna hai wo kar sakti hai. So I wanted to play cricket. I played cricket. I wanted to do horse riding. I did horse riding. I used to just take off. After coming back from school, come down. That used to be me.
I think you are still carrying that love for nature.
Yes. I feel very, after some time I want to go out. I just want to get out and feel connected with nature. My father had a transferable job. I was born in Aizawl, and then my father got posted to various places. Finally, because my sisters are much, much elder to me, so they had to study here, because at that time good college means Cotton, Guwahati University. So my father had his posting here. So that time we were staying in that campus of SP's bungalow. That was the first quarter that we had. I was the youngest. So that time, we joined St. Mary's. That time St. Mary's was there. After that, my father's transfer happened in Tejpur, then Difu, Dergaon. So wherever he went, I was like his lamb, and I used to follow him, because my mother had to be here because of my other siblings, my sisters, my brothers, they were studying here. But I was the one who used to be with him throughout. I used to study there, wherever he's posted, and be there with him.
Do you think your upbringing has shaped your worldview in traveling here, experiences?
Yes, of course. The more you, go around, the more you explore, the more you feel humbled, and you feel that you know so little and you want to know more. So the quest for knowing is ever increasing when you kind of travel, when you go out, when you want to know. And when you come back also, you realize that you know so little about that place.
Do you see any of your childhood traits reflecting in your children right now, today?
I have the adventurous trait as well as a cautious state. So my children have divided that a little bit. So my son is a little, he'll think, I always think before I act. I plan out. I'm very meticulous about planning, everything. Whatever I do, I need to plan out, If I have something to do next 3 months, in fact, I'll plan it out now. Both my children have that habit.
More structured way.
दीपानिता, अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि आज आप अगर अंदर देखो तो दीपानिता चौधरी आज भी दीपानिता जायसवाल के अंदर कितनी मौजूद है?
देखो, इवोल्यूशन इज अ स्टेज ऑफ ग्रोथ. यू इवॉल्व. बट जो चौधरी है वो भी मर्ज कर गया जायसवाल में. सो वो चौधरी और जायसवाल दोनों अभी मिलके इवॉल्व ही हो रहे हैं अभी तक. एंड दैट प्रोसेस आई थिंक विल कंटिन्यू लाइफ लॉन्ग. आप जो बचपन में हो वो ट्रेट आप अगर देखोगे, जब आप जैसे बोल रहे हो सेकेंड इनिंग्स में, वो ट्रेट फिर से आपका बचपन का ट्रेट सरफेस होता है. फिर से आपका वो ट्रेट सरफेस होने लगता है. वंस योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आर काइंड ऑफ अ लिटिल सेटल्ड, योर मच मोर काइंड ऑफ स्टेबलाइज्ड, उसके बाद आपका चौधरी जायसवाल के फॉर्म में निकलेगा थोड़ा बहुत.
What kind of books do you like to read? We heard you are an avid reader.
Yes, I'll tell you. When I started off first with Amar Chitra Katha, as everyone else, then Tinkle, then, then I must say it was Annie Blyton, Nancy Drew, Hardy Boys, Famous Five, Secret Sevens, Milton Boons. I was not very fond of Milton Boons. No.
Okay. We used to hide and read it.
As you are a teenager, you progress to Sidney Sheldon, and I used to like, Victoria Holt books a lot.
Do you get time to read books?
रात को I carry it in my mobile, my Kindle. I carry my Kindle wherever I go.
তুমি বহুত মই যেতিয়া কথা পাতিছো তোমাৰ লগত তুমিতো কৈছা তুমি এনি টাইম what and why সবতে থাকে তোমাৰ সো কিতাপ পঢ়ি পঢ়ি বেছি what and why হৈ গলা
বহুত হৈছো.
What would you advise to the young generation today? Book reading is how important?
It is of paramount importance. Let me tell you this. Because we are living in the age where everything is at a breakneck speed. Somewhere down the line, you have to kind of, slow down a little bit, pace it out. My point is, books helps you in pacing out. Both help kore. Digital is a data bank now. G lage Google kora, you're just getting there.
From Chaudhary to Jaiswal, let's listen to that part of your story. You belong to a liberal Bengali family. He belonged to a UPite. He was a UPite. So आप दोनों के culturally बहुत difference था.
जब हम लोग when we fell in love, तब तो कल्चर वल्चर कुछ सोचे भी नहीं थे. मतलब वो सब तो था ही नहीं ना. तब टीनेज लव था तो चलो we are like we are like Laila Majnu, Heer Ranjha, whatever version you can say, we are that at that point. हाँ वो होता है जब फर्स्ट फेज आता है प्यार का, तब आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है. Honestly, Sanjeev also tells me, because I'll tell you a conservative side of me. जब उसने मुझे प्रपोज किया, प्रपोज भी कैसा किया, आई कैन नॉट से इट्स अ प्रपोज टाइप, बट था यू कैन. तो वो था, तो मैंने उसको एक चीज़ बोला था संजीव को कि मेरे लिए ना डेटिंग मीन्स शादी. दैट टाइम आई वाज 16 एंड ही वाज 17. हाँ ऑनेस्टली अभी वो बोलता है मेरे माथे में कुछ नहीं घुसा था. हाँ एंड यू जस्ट सेड शादी, and he also nodded his head. That was it. Because he knew that, okay, he wants to be with me. I knew I wanted to. तब तक हमको पता नहीं था क्या, So that was the thing, when we got into it. वो शादी का जो 16 years में वो हुआ कि हाँ शादी है मेरे लिए, मतलब if I'm dating you.
You got married at the age of 16?
No. When we started dating, for me, dating someone means marriage.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the orthodox.
It's kind of a thing, the conservative orthodox kind of. उसको भी तब समझ में नहीं आया what he was getting into. उसने भी कहा कि हाँ चलो ठीक है.
তোমার মন ঠবল
So এনেকে আমি কৰিলো, and we started dating. 11-12 পাৰ হ'ল. 12 মোৰ মা দেউতাই গম পালে.
So how did they react?
Father's first reaction was, get out of the house, get married.
Get out of the house and get married.
If you want to do this now, go, get out, get married. And the point was very interesting. I told you I was very deep in my, I was very clear. I sat with him. I still remember that scene. Early morning, I was getting ready for school. I was in my school uniform. And he said, okay, are you, going around with this guy? I said, yes. I did not deny. And he said, okay, then you do one thing, you want to marry him? I said, yes. And he said, can you go and get married? Get out and get married. हाँ अभी से अगर ये करना है तो जुआरू. हाँ
ভয়টো লাগিছিল তেতিয়া
ভয় লাগিছিল, বাট মই কেতিয়াও মোৰ মা দেউতাক মই কেতিয়াও মিছা কথা কোৱা নাই.
এতিয়া ইজিলি কৈছা তেতিয়াতো অকমান
ভয় লাগিছিলে
उस समय जब ऐसा कुछ होता था तो वी यूज्ड टू बी इन अ रेस्ट्रिक्टेड मोड
Yes.
के घर से बाहर नहीं जाना है
एकदम एकदम
हाँ।
एकदम वो था तो बट माय फादर वाज जब उस उन्होंने कहा ये बात एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई सेड दिस और हाउ आई सेड दिस তেতিয়া মই কৈছিলো নাই মই এনেকৈ ওলাই নাযাওঁ মই পঢ়া শুনা শেষ কৰিম আই উইল ৱৰ্ক সি আহিব ছেটেল হ'ব দুজনে পঢ়া নাই সি আহিব আৰু ক'ব যে মই তোমাৰ ছোৱালীক বিয়া কৰাব বিচাৰোঁ মই পলাই বিয়া নকৰোঁ
And were you aware of the cultural difference?
No. Honestly, I wasn't.
কেনেকে এডজাষ্ট কৰিলা কালচাৰেল মিক্সটো
And my father was a little like, apprehensive. Because see, service and business, they have a very kind of, different outlook towards life. In his family also, when finally the marriage got fixed and everything was fixed, when we got married and I went there, I was the first bahu to work in the family outside. So that is how slowly, the progression and the progress happened. So I was the first bahu. For them, bahu kaam nahi karte, ghar sambhalte hain. But they also evolved. It took time, but they evolved. They understood that how important. And for that, I must give credit to Sanjeev. He understood how important it was for me to work.
Yeah, it was a balancing act.
Absolutely. And he was the one who actually kind of encouraged me कि चलो आप अपना continue करो. So that helped a lot. When you have a husband who's supportive and who's kind of helping you out with this transition, that makes it much easier. So I learned cooking in the process. I learned the puja in the process. So उनके फैमिली में भी हम जब आए बहुत कुछ सीखे सीखने को तो हर जगह पे है So I learned how to cook there. I learned how to do puja part there. And we always, although our family was also big, but their family was much bigger. 8 brothers and sisters. So everyone and that time we used to stay in a joint family. So joint family made everyone has their own needs and requirements. उसमें adjust करना, उसमें आपको चलना. You learn in the process. And I would say this is a very kind of, you grow as a person, you become more resilient, you become more strong, you understand the nuances of life much better. So वो life में ना transition, as I said, every part of your life is divided into phases. हर phase को अपनाना पड़ेगा.
And you grow in that process.
It's the process.
How do you handle disagreements, whether at home or at work? How do you do that?
You have to segmentize. We always segmentize. I think we all women are very good at time management. When we do something, we know that, okay, सुबह इतना बजे ये करना है, उसके बाद ये करना है. We make a time schedule in your mind. Everyone, we always do that. Every woman. And अगर आप इस चीज को कर पाओ, so manage करना is not a problem.
But what's the mantra when husband and wife, I would say, are in the same profession, working together day and night? Then disagreements, of course, happen.
एकदम हमेशा लड़ोगे भी, आप रहोगे भी, आप प्यार भी करोगे, आप प्रोफेशनली भी लड़ोगे, आप पर्सनली भी लड़ोगे, आप पर्सनली भी, सब कुछ. इट्स अ बैलेंस. यू बैलेंस इट आउट.
It's all about adjustment.
एकदम.
It's all about
So we have our differences of opinion. That's why we have kind of segregated. So I look into, since I've always been into operation, and he takes care of the finance part, I take care of the day-to-day operation part. Okay, so We have divided that.
You do your work, let me do mine.
Yes.
Media can be loud, sometimes fast. How do you unwind yourself under such intensity? इतना कुछ चलते रहता है.
You have to learn. I have started learning. I've started learning, let me tell you this, to zone out at times. I just zone out. Because you know, when you used to do पहले, आगे क्या होता था, हम लोग पहले जब काम करते थे, हाँ ये करना है तो करना है, होना है तो होना है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, हैसल्ड हो रहा है, ऐसा क्यों नहीं जा रहा है, मीडिया में ऐसा होना चाहिए. स्लोली धीरे धीरे आपको समझ में आता है कि सब বস্তু নিজৰ মতে নহয়. কিছুমান বস্তুবিলাক আমাৰ সবক লৈ কিনে কৰিব লাগিব so that better output to পোৱা হয়. Because ultimately when it comes to, as you've said, when it comes to media is always a medium. And medium to কি কৰে? Medium will take in information, put it up, assemble it, and give the output. Right? So, এই বস্তুটো যে আনা ingredients বিলাক আনা assemble কৰা বা বনোৱা, and then you have to put it out. But it should be authentic put out. What is important, what is your priority, and what is not your priority.
What's your way to zone out or unwind?
My way to zone out and unwind is, if I'm like supposing office or back-to-back meetings, back-to-back solely as the news. At my job, honestly, now I have progressed to being more of a, যেটো কয় নহয়, CCTV লগাই যে চাই থাকা. আগতে now eagle eye. এতিয়া মই I've become more of a CCTV লগাই. এটো কি অহা নাই, এটো কি যোৱা নাই, এটো কি আহিছে, এটো কি হেনেকে আৰু. So when it comes to zoning out, coming to the point, I go back to my books.
To your books. Do you think zoning out is an escape or more of a connection?
Regrouping. It is more of a regrouping. Sometimes you need to regroup yourself so that you are back with a full energy again.
আমি লোক কোনো ট্ৰেভেল টো পাই
আগতে মই আগতে বহুত ট্ৰেভেল কৰিছিলোঁ, বিকজ মোৰ দেউতাৰ লগত মই য'তে যাওঁ, I used to travel with him a lot. Because তেওঁৰ আছিলে পুলিচ জব, so I used to tag along with him, inspection, কিবা কিবি. I used to tag along with him. In fact, অসমৰ মই সব maximum জাগা মই দেখিছোঁ thanks to him. After I got married, things changed a little bit because you were more into adjusting. I was trying to have a understanding of the entire Titiola Beta till my children were born.
Because we have small children.
Yes.
Our priorities changed.
Pura priorities changed. Titia mane I was not traveling that much. Yes, small weekend break. Bala Shillongot gusi golo. Heneke asile. And Sanjeev is a golfer. He used to go for his golfing tournaments. So sometimes, because he used to travel, so I used to accompany him.
Did you try your hands on
No,
golf?
one is enough in the family.
One is enough in the family.
One is enough in the family because I see the level of, passion he has for his sports. So I say, agar
What
dono
do you need to have a passion for that?
एकदम. और बच्चे छोटे थे, तो somewhere down the line माँ को देखना पड़ेगा ही. So in hostel when she was in grade 3 and my son was in grade 5, that was the time when I realized, like, nahi, we need to, whenever they come on a holiday, we need to go out together as a family. Because तब तक अपना channel शुरू हो गया था.
So you travel solo?
Yes, I do travel solo. I'll have to tell you this recent travel of mine.
Okay.
This is very interesting, I'll tell you. Because I had planned everything solo.
Okay. This is your recent travel to Rishikesh?
Rishikesh and Haridwar.
Okay.
So this is an interesting story. I planned everything alone, sab booking ho gaya. So we had to go to Delhi for a function. Sanjeev and my kids also. My kids were supposed to come back. Sanjeev was supposed to come back. And I was supposed to go. Suddenly Sanjeev said, मैं भी जाऊंगा आपके साथ. So I said, okay, fine. And I was, because Sanjeev का एक आदत है ना, 3 दिन बाद he says, और कितना दिन? And I'm going to a place where there is
कुछ करने को नहीं.
कुछ करने को है नहीं. Like, he's a beach person, I'm a mountain person. So he likes a little, lively place and I like the quiet. तो मुझे लगा ये जाके 3 दिन बाद बोलेगा मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. तो I was kind of telling him कि हम 7 दिन के लिए जा रहे हैं.
Think
और-
twice.
हाँ, think twice. हाँ, वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. Nothing. You have nothing वहाँ पे. He said नहीं मैं जाऊँगा फिर भी. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. Surprisingly, he enjoyed.
He enjoyed more.
He enjoyed so much and I was so happy. He was also surprised that he enjoyed. So he's telling, अरे 3 दिन चला गया, इतना जल्दी 3-4 दिन चला गया, पता ही नहीं चला. I said, okay, I'm glad. And another thing that we have realized this time, we went for a honeymoon. When we were discussing, we went for a honeymoon to South. That's a very interesting thing. And when we went for a honeymoon, my mother-in-law is very religious. So she ensured that we visit each and every temple in the south. Rameshwaram se leke, Madurai se leke, Tirupati. We began with Kanyakumari and ended our honeymoon with Tirupati Balaji.
Okay.
It was the most unplanned, most religious honeymoon we ever had. We both went alone again. Not work. Work में तो couple गए हैं, but as a holiday.
Okay.
As a holiday, after a honeymoon, as a couple holiday, we did this time.
Oh, really?
And that too, this also turned out in an unplanned way, a religious trip.
Because it was Haridwar and Rishikesh.
Haridwar.
Why you went to Haridwar? Are you spiritual? Why Rishikesh and Haridwar? I believe you are.
I don't know whether to call myself spiritual or what, but yes, I want to understand. Since I told you I'm reading now more on the Indian philosophy, Vedanta. I'm trying to understand Bhagavad Gita. So maybe somewhere down the line, I wanted to go there and feel the place, Rishikesh and Haridwar.
Okay. Daily practices on meditation or
I do.
you do?
I've started it post, I think during COVID time I started doing meditation. Pehle I used to do more, pratham I used to do meditation only in the morning. Lahe, I've started doing in the evening also. Rati. Morning because too much of puja kori, you do a little bit and then pranayam, sanayam kori. Too many things, the house is active. When you wake up, your house is active. This person is calling, this is happening. You have to set the house before you go out.
Right.
Night, I find it much more peaceful.
You are a night owl.
I'm a night out. And Rati, when I do the meditation, I find it much more peaceful.
When do you sleep? In the morning?
You can say that. I sleep around after 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
So it's a good morning to the rest and everything.
Ha.
Golfer rises early in the morning.
Ha. He gets up at 4 o'clock and sometimes I sleep
That's your bedtime.
That's my bedtime. So I say good night and he says good morning. And he goes his way and once he goes, I sleep.
Has this entire journey, has it changed you as a leader, as a person, as a mother?
The spiritual journey or the entire life
The
course?
entire life.
See, who you are, you will not change much. What you are, you will not change much. No, the true self of yours will somewhere down the line will be there. You just evolve and you just grow. As a mother, I have learned one thing, the unconditional part of it.
Yeah, mothers are always not
Very well said.
Unconditional. You are just unconditionally, and you enjoy the process of motherhood. You enjoy
I
motherhood.
think mothers have to understand this.
And the best part of motherhood is inner joy of being a mother is something which every mother feels it, I feel.
right.
You see your child, the 9 months that you're holding, you're then this. So it's a different process. When you're a student, going back, when you're a student before marriage, you're more carefree. You have your career, you have your things, you have your vision. You're more like, in a dream world,
Priority.
Priorities is like in a dream world. I'm reaching a phase of a calmer phase.
Yeah. Or that comes to another question. What do you seek more? Is it the peace, purpose, or you still chase the truth? You were chasing truth when
They
you
are
were young.
all interconnected.
All interconnected.
This three: peace, purpose, and
And
truth are interconnected. If you want to seek the truth, you have to have the peace within you. You have to have the purpose. And then only you will know the truth. So they are interconnected. You cannot just separate one from the other.
So, Niladri, now we come to the most exciting part of our
Yes.
podcast,
The quick takes.
the rapid fire round.
The rapid fire.
One word that defines you.
Free.
A quote you live by.
I live by my basic principles and my disciplines. That is my quote.
Morning coffee or evening tea?
Evening coffee.
Newsroom or classroom? Where's your heart?
Both the places, because I'm teaching in both the places.
All right.
One habit that keeps you grounded.
I feel being myself. That keeps me grounded.
Okay. If you could interview anyone in the world, who would it be?
Sorry?
If you could interview anyone in the world,
Hmm.
who would it be?
I would love to interview Swami Vivekananda.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. A film or show that inspires you.
The film that truly inspired me was Sansara.
Oh, beautiful. A book that changed your perspective.
Right now, I can say there are many books that I can say has been changing my perspective. Right now, I'm reading Bhagavad Gita.
Yes.
So, Bhagavad Gita, I'm being able to, correlate with our day-to-day life.
Are you halfway through?
I read it once, first time, which honestly speaking, it just went over my
Bounced.
head. It just bounced. Nothing sipped in. This time, I'm again reading it. I'm halfway through. I'm in the 7th chapter. This time, I think, thoda karke, it's
Understand.
sipping in a little bit.
Okay.
And you're understanding what Bhagavad Gita wants to tell you. What is the Karma Yoga part of it? So we always talk about Karma Yoga. What is the Karma Yoga part of it?
Most used word in the DY365 office.
Most used word is cut action.
Oh, wonderful. The best advice you have received.
Best advice my father had given me is that is ingrained in me, in fact. You should walk like a lion on the footpath rather than driving a car like a thief.
Wow. Wow.
Describe your second innings in one line.
Second innings, I feel, is much calmer, stabilizing.
The perfect note to end on.
Life goes on. Enjoy every bit of it and be alive. Feel the joy of life in spite of all the challenges.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Though we do not have a gift hamper for you, but I think we will clap for you.
Thank you.
I would also like to ask you, what's in your basket for the second innings? What have you thought?
I think I'm getting more and more drawn towards a spiritual side, and I will slowly planning to delegate my responsibilities to my children. It's time for them to take on the mantle.
Are they ready?
Getting ready, maybe.
Okay.
So, keeping my fingers crossed. That's why I will slowly start giving them more so that I can do what I want to do now. Dheere dheere.
More traveling.
More traveling, more exploring,
A semi-retired life.
semi-retired life. I told my kids very nicely this. I said, अभी धीरे धीरे आप लोग ये करोगे, हम आएंगे, जाएंगे. I'm there to guide you, to be your mentors. But responsibility अभी धीरे धीरे आप लोगों को लेना है.
Wow, Deepanita, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It did not feel like an interview at all. It just felt like a heart-to-heart.
Conversation. Actually, your questions were wonderful. I like the Chaudhary Jaiswal part.
Yeah. I'm glad. We are glad. We are glad. And it was so much wisdom, warmth, and calmness. The way you spoke, it was all rolled into
I
one.
don't know what I spoke. I just spoke. I just rolled
It
on.
was so good, and thank you so much
Thank you.
for sitting down with us and sharing your incredible journey, despite your busy schedule.
I must thank you both for giving me this chance to speak my heart out.
We've been chasing you.
Thank you. So,
And we are so glad we came to know जो एक ऐसी दीपानिता जो शायद कई लोग नहीं जानते हैं.
हाँ शायद मैंने ये सब किसी को बताया भी नहीं था शायद ना.
So we are glad.
हुआ ना है. जी कोई सो.
We are more than happy.
If you enjoyed watching this episode as much as we enjoyed recording it, don't forget to like the second innings. We have more stories to come and honest conversation coming your way.
Till then, stay curious, stay grounded, and keep living your second innings. And we would love to hear your story, your second innings. Do write to us. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.